Welcome to my kitchen. My name is Lei. Today I'm making the infamous Lei salad. In fact, I cannot take all the credit because I got the dressing recipe from allrecipes.com. I'll make sure to link to that recipe. If there is one recipe that I am repeatedly asked to make, it will be this salad with its infinite incarnations of ingredients and cheeses. This vibrant and refreshing salad combines crisp, petite romaine lettuce, crunchy cucumbers, colorful bell peppers, sweet bomb tomatoes, julienne carrots and apples, all tossed in a zesty homemade vinaigrette, topped with shaved or grated Pecorino Romano cheese and toasted nuts. It's a perfect balance of salty, sweet, tangy, and nutty flavors. Let's get started. Step 1. Prepare the salad. Soak the lettuce leaves in an ice bath to wake the crunchiness. Wash, drain, chop or tear, in my case, the romaine lettuce leaves, and place all of them in a large salad bowl. Peel and slice a cucumber. Dice the bell peppers. And halves the sweet bomb tomatoes. An apple for a crisp, fresh bite. Make sure to toss the apple slices with a teaspoon of lemon juice to prevent from browning. Julienne carrots. Next, make the vinaigrette. In a mason jar, combine olive oil, red wine vinegar, Dijon mustard, sugar, minced garlic, salt and pepper to taste. Close the lid tight and shake the jar until well mixed. Ready to serve. Sprinkle with grated Pecorino Romano cheese and toasted nuts for extra crunch and flavor. Drizzle the vinaigrette dressing over the salad and toss gently to coat all the ingredients. Here are some pro tips. You can definitely add grilled chicken, shrimp, or beef for a protein-packed meal. Also, you can swap apples for pears, citrus fruit, or fresh berries when they're in season for a slightly different sweetness. This mixed vegetable salad is packed with fresh, crunchy goodness and topped with Pecorino Romano cheese and toasted walnuts for the perfect balance of flavor and texture. Make it for lunch or as a side for dinner. It's a feast to the eye and an explosion of flavors to the taste buds. Please check in the description below for ingredients, step-by-step cooking instructions, and links to products frequently used in my videos. If you enjoy this recipe, don't forget to like and subscribe for more authentic dishes from around the world. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.